This is the metal one. This stand heat.
That's not metal, Chaka, that's glass. What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. So today we make seaweed punch. So here are the ingredients, here are the things that we're gonna use.
I find it more easier to blend it first, then you boil it. So we're going to blend it first, then boil it. We soak the seaweed overnight. The more you soak the seaweed in fresh water, it gets more softer. It swell more, it gets more softer, and it will swell, and it will melt away as well. Hello, Miss Lola. Thank you for your comment. Sorry, I know you asked us if anything wrong with our teeth because we all time blending. As you can see, these are original real teeth, right? And we're blending again. This need to blend again, so keep in tune with us and give your comment again, Miss Lola. Now that we have it blend, we're going to boil it. The cinnamon, we're going to add the cinnamon as one, so the cinnamon stick, add in this, we can boil with it.
So what we adding there now?
Liquid vanilla.
Okay, some vanilla.
Now let's grate the nut under the egg. After that,
Going right in, not an egg.
remember, if you put too much nutmeg, you can make it kind of a bitter, so we just like half.
Half a nutmeg.
But then throw the condensed milk.
Oh, that for sweet, isn't it?
Nicer flavor and sweetness. This is a,
It's a must. That's a must, eh?
This is just, if you want. Nice.
Chaka put in liquid sugar now.
A pound of sugar.
In liquid sugar, because you don't put the condensed milk.
Now we throw liquid rum and we leave it make it cool. This is the metal one, this stand heat.
That's not metal, Chaka, that's glass.
Look at that key. That the ice for this right there. See, this is the new one, 2020 model.
You can do it that again, Chaka.
We're going to blend it, punch it out. We will put like ice in it, blend it.
You blend it with ice.
Yeah, I want to blend it with like ice then.
Punch it out.
Nice, punch it out cold way, then you cold. You punch it out cold way more nice. This I like it, so it's up to you how you want it, viewers. You make it your way, right? Once you make this, you go to the booster. How we not drink? This is the way we could pass it.
Full it up with rum, man.
Greg tell me full it up with rum, so you know how he not drink it could. Taste the rum that way. we have it here, blended with ice. So let's give it a try. Delicious.
Delicious, bossy, CHAP you feel like.
After I done so, they make that bile till they mash up, then they throw the milk and they mix up in it.
Bossy.
Old people time, you know what they used to use still the coconut cream, them old people, them, my great granny, them, they used to use the coconut cream, cream the little cream and then put in it. And
Old people.
but if you had been there, used to say, get things from away, Colombian San Andres, and used to bring it. They got a milk what they used to use from there to find it much better. Then not people used to blend it then time when they make them seaweed poach and thing, my friend. Modernized people now is where they learn to blend things and make it life much easier for you. El orden de los factores no altera el producto. So if I decide to blend, then boil with it, and you're boiling it with this lemon stick as well because you need the flavor to be. Since you say we're going to make, once we're going to blend it so it could boil and everything mash up, and after it cool, you just punch it the way we're going to punch it, and it will come. When it finish, please tell me what you think about it when it finish. The next time you doubt my capacity and ability and my method of doing my things, I will sue you.
Palabra sabia de Chaca.